Today we will revise next chapter in EVS, that is chapter number 14, garbage management. Okay. So for revision, let's see one video related to that chapter. Okay. पहले हम एक वीडियो देखेंगे and in last 15 minutes I will take revision test on it. I will send the link. Okay, you have to, जैसे आपके टेस्ट होते हैं वैसे ही मैं आपका वो टेस्ट लूंगी. ओके. First I am going to share my screen and watch this video. Yes, Molly.
मैम आप बोले ना गूगल फॉर्म में लूंगी तो मैम मेरा गूगल फॉर्म में खुलता ही नहीं है.
क्यों? क्यों नहीं खुलता?
मैम नहीं पता.
बट आपने तो दिया है इसके पहले एग्जाम.
मैम नहीं पता.
आपने तो दिया है पर इसके पहले एग्जाम देना.
मैम इसके पहले खुलता था. इसके पहले जो एक टेस्ट हुआ था ना मैम उससे तब से नहीं खुला.
आपके पास you have Gmail अकाउंट. आप अभी साइन इन करके रखो जीमेल अकाउंट में अपनी मम्मी का या पापा का जिसका भी साइन इन करके रखो जीमेल अकाउंट. Then you will be able to give the test. Molly, you are using mobile?
Yes, ma'am.
तो मोबाइल में तो आपका साइन इन होगा ऑलरेडी. आप ट्राई करना. अगर ट्राई नहीं होगा देन साइन इन फॉर गूगल अकाउंट. ओके.
ओके मैम.
Okay, so let's watch the video first. Then watch the video very carefully. Okay, I will ask question from this video.
And its management. Mummy, today while returning home from school, I saw some rag pickers taking out plastic bottles, plates and other things from the garbage dump near the school. What will they do with it? Isn't it a waste for them too?
Who is rag pickers? Rag pickers are those who pick the waste, this garbage. ठीक है. आप you can see in the picture the person who picks the waste materials from the garbage. They are called rag pickers. Okay, RAG, rag pickers. Don't touch the screen.
Mary, anything that is discarded, unwanted and useless is waste. It includes things like leftover food material, broken glass, empty packets and jars, bottles, rags and household waste. The rag pick.
So all the discarded waste जो unwanted है, that we don't use, useless waste, all that are called garbage. Unwanted things, unwanted material, useless thing, useless material, they are called waste, garbage. Okay, it includes what it includes. It includes leftover food, जो बचा हुआ खाना है, broken टूटे हुए glass है, wrappers है. Okay, all these things are the waste that are unwanted, that are unused, useless.
Jars, bottles, rags and household waste. The rag pickers sort the waste that can be sold to make money. Thus, the things that are a waste for us are a source of money for them.
So see, these are waste for us, but this is a source for this rag pickers. What they do? They pick up the waste material like that can be sold, like plastic जो recycle हो सकते हैं उनको वो पिक करते हैं गार्बेज से और वो कहाँ भेजते हैं उन्हें, इंडस्ट्री में, फैक्ट्री में भेजते हैं वो सारे मटेरियल्स जो रिसाइकल हो सकते हैं. ओके, सो द रैग पिकर सॉर्ट द वेस्ट दैट कैन बी सोल्ड, उसे बेच के वो मनी कलेक्ट करते हैं. दे अर्न मनी बाय सेलिंग दिस वेस्ट. So this is a waste for us, but this waste gives money to these rag pickers.
Mummy, is the waste in villages the same as the waste in cities? No, dear. Rural people have limited needs and do not use much of glass, plastic, or packaging materials. Hence, they produce less waste. Most of the rural household waste is also converted into manure.
So in rural area, in villages, they don't use much of plastic bottles and plastic materials. In cities, people use more plastic. So in villages, they use more like vegetables waste, फूड वेस्ट. रूरल एरिया में, गांव में ये सारी चीजें ज्यादा होती हैं. सो दिस household waste, they convert them into manure. Now how they convert them, this waste into manure, villages में कैसे ये waste को manure में convert करते हैं?
Urban people depend.
What they do, they dig the soil को dig करके एक hole बनाते हैं और उस hole में वो सारे waste materials, all the waste materials like fruit peel, ओके, वेजिटेबल्स पील्स, ये सारे पील्स जो हैं वो उसमें डालते हैं एंड दे कवर दैट पील्स, ऑल द वेस्ट मटेरियल्स, ऑल द हाउस होल्ड वेस्ट इन दैट डंप एंड दैट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू मैन्योर. उसे क्या बोलते हैं, उसे क्या, कंपोस्ट. व्हाट इज अ कंपोस्ट? द डिग दैट पीपल मेड इन देयर गार्डन. और उसमें सारे हाउस होल्ड वेस्ट वी कैन पुट देम लाइक वेजिटेबल्स पील्स, फ्रूट पील्स, ओके, that are degradable, जो degrade हो सकते हैं, सारे degradable waste we can put in a compost, and slowly the insects that are, the germs that are present in soil, they decompose them, वो break down करते हैं उसे और they convert this waste into a manure. Okay,
and a lot on packed foodstuffs like biscuits, butter, and chocolates. Hence, they produce a lot of waste. Various industries and manufacturing units also produce waste that is harmful and poisonous. Then it must be important to dispose waste properly so that there is no pollution. Yes, Mary, it is very important to dispose waste properly so that it does not pollute the environment. Let me tell you the step.
so if we dump the waste here and there, what it will cause, उस वजह से क्या होगा, pollution होगा, soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution. अगर हम waste garbage कहीं पे भी फेंक देंगे, if we throw the garbage anywhere in our surrounding, then what will happen? It will pollute our surrounding, it will pollute our environment. So we must dump the waste in dustbin. Okay, it is very important to dispose waste properly so that it does not pollute the environment.
Steps of proper waste disposal from our homes to the dumping sites. Household waste is thrown in covered dustbins at home. A garbage collector goes from house to house and collects the waste and dumps it in big green and blue bins kept by the municipal corporation. The green bin is meant for biodegradable wastes like.
Now there are two type of waste. While I was teaching this chapter, I told you there was two type of waste, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. What is biodegradable waste? All those waste that can be degrade, जिसे जो ब्रेक डाउन होके फिर से यूटिलाइज हो सकता है, वो सॉइल में मिक्स होके उससे इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स वी गेट. ओके, like vegetable peels, paper that can rot and mix easily with soil, जो खराब होके कंपोस्ट में कुछ दिन रह के फिर उसके बाद वो खराब होके सॉइल में उसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिक्स हो जाते हैं. सो these are biodegradable waste. This biodegradable waste, this type of waste like vegetable peels and papers, where we put this type of waste in green bins. There are two types of bins, green bins and blue bin. Green bin is for wet type of waste, blue bin is for dry type of waste. That is for plastic, glass, metals. वो सारी चीजें किस में डालनी चाहिए? You should put all this type of waste in blue bin, and all the wet waste like vegetable peel, fruit peel, paper that are biodegradable, you should put this type of waste in green bins.
Vegetable peels and paper that can rot and mix easily with soil. The blue bin is for non-biodegradable wastes like glass and plastic that neither rot easily nor mix with soil. The municipal corporation trucks collect the waste from these two bins separately and then dump them in separate dumping sites.
आपके घर में भी अगर आपने कभी नोटिस किया होगा तो one person came that is from municipal corporation to collect the garbage. सबके घर घर जाके municipal corporation से एक person आता है to collect the waste. ठीक है, he collect the waste from different cities, from different places, and this अलग अलग जगह से जाके फिर वो एक ट्रक में जाता है, एंड दैट ट्रक dump the waste in a big land area that is called landfill. वहाँ ठीक है, that is called landfill.
Isn't there a way to manage this waste? The best way to manage waste is to follow the 3 R's.
Now what is 3 R's? किसी को याद है what is 3 R's? What is 3 R's?
Reduce.
Yes, Molly.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, reduce, recycle and reuse.
Yes, the 3 R's to manage the waste. So that why we need to manage the waste. अगर हम waste को manage नहीं करेंगे, सिर्फ waste जमा होते जाएगा, तो फिर क्या होगा? That will cause pollution in our environment. So to manage the waste, there are 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay?
Reuse and recycle. We can reduce the waste we produce by following these simple tips. Use products with less packaging and those that can be reused or refilled, and those that can use products produced by following these simple tips.
How can we reduce the waste? कैसे हम waste को reduce कर सकते हैं? By following this simple tips. First tip is use the less product with more packaging. ऐसे सारे products जिसमें packaging ज़्यादा हो, वो products को अगर हम कम use करेंगे, then उस वजह से क्या होगा? Waste फिर कम हो जाएगा. जिसमें ज़्यादा packaging है, तो ज़्यादा packaging अगर नहीं होगी, तो फिर waste भी कम निकलेगा, है ना? So we should use such products that has less packaging. Okay.
Products with less packaging and those that can be reused or refilled.
ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने चाहिए जो रिसाइकल हो सकते हैं, जो फिर से यूज हो सकते हैं.
Use washable plates and cups instead of disposable ones in parties or while traveling.
While traveling, what we do, we take disposable cups, plates, glass, है ना? कहाँ where we will wash the plates, ऐसे सोच के. But we should use washable plates, disposable plates, disposable glass, cups, ये सब का use कम करना चाहिए. In this way, we can reduce the waste.
Use cloth napkins to wipe your hands instead of paper napkins. Use paper on both sides while writing, drawing, etc. Donate old storybooks to a library. We can even reuse things in many ways to
These are the tips how we can reduce कैसे कर सकते हैं waste, उसके tips थे. Now here are some tips how to reuse things. Reuse things in many ways to avoid wastage. कैसे reuse कर सकते हैं, फिर से उस product को use कर सकते हैं.
avoid wastage. Reuse gift wrapping paper to wrap another gift.
I think most of us do this. We use gift wrapper. अगर आपको किसी ने gift किया है तो वो wrapper आप फेंक देते हो क्या? अगर फेंक देते हो तो stop throwing. Okay? फिर से आप उस wrapper को use कर सकते हो. You can reuse that. Molly, stop eating in class. So stop. You can reuse that gift wrapper for wrapping another gift. Okay.
Gift. Do rough work in the pages left in old notebooks.
Don't just throw the notebook. अगर आपके notebook में pages बचे हैं तो आप you can use that pages for your rough work. You can reuse plastic bottles, cans and jars. उसे wash करके जिसमें आप for example if you bring sweets from shop तो प्लास्टिक के बॉक्स में अगर मिल रहा है तो you can reuse that box. You can wash that box and reuse for another purpose. कुछ और purpose के लिए to store pencil, to store erasers, or to store anything, to store earrings, whatever you want.
Reuse plastic bottles, cans and jars. Use old clothes for dust.
Don't just throw the clothes. अगर आपके clothes पुराने हो गए हैं तो don't throw it. You can reuse, you can use it for dusting, for cleaning, for wiping anything, है ना?
Dusting and clean. Paper printed on one side can be used for writing on the other side. Use pencil shavings to make designs on greeting cards.
You can do this activity for your to improve your creativity. आप pencil shave करते हो, pencil sharp करते हो, तो उसके shavings you can use that shavings to draw beautiful things, flowers, men, head, anything, है ना?
Old magazines and newspapers can be used to do craft work. Things are also recycled.
Now अभी तक हमने क्या क्या देखा? Tips to reduce waste, tips to reuse things. Now how we can recycle things.
To avoid wastage. Paper is recycled to make new paper. Steel cans are melted to make new cans. Broken glass pieces are recycled to make new containers. Recycling helps to save natural resources, prevent pollution, and save energy. Always remember that producing less waste and disposing it safely will keep our earth.
So reduce by अगर आप कम waste by producing less waste and disposing it safely, अगर आप waste को अच्छे से properly dispose करोगे, properly dump करोगे और waste कम करोगे, तो what will happen? Our earth will remain clean and green. Our environment, our surroundings, वो कैसे होंगी? Clean और green होंगी. और anyone, I don't think कि people do you love to live in a dirty, unhygienic place? कोई भी नहीं चाहता कि हम dirty place में रहे, unhygienic place में रहे. Everyone wants to live in a clean and green environment, है ना? So how we can do that? How we can keep our surrounding clean and green? By reducing the wastage, by disposing it safely. Okay? Correct? Clear? अच्छा लगा वीडियो सबको? वीडियो अच्छा लगा? नहीं लगा? अगर अच्छा लगा then show me thumbs up. Only Nishchay, Kashvi, Ronak, Priyansh, Samiksha, Kavya, Molly, Shaurya, Gatha, Navya. ओके अच्छा मीन सबको अच्छा लगा ओके वेरी गुड ओके नाउ लेट्स ओनली हाउ मेनी मिनट्स लेफ्ट 10 to 15 minutes left so let's take test on it सबको क्लियर है ये चैप्टर सो एवरीवन गिवन टेस्ट yes Samiksha go everyone given test less than 1 minute left only 1 minute left only Suyet has not given yes Vibhav
मैम भव्या तो नहीं की मैम टेस्ट
because she has not attended today's class आज absent why she is absent you know why she is absent